Alright guys, let's talk about how to make some cash and passive income online. Here are 10 legit ways to do it. 1. Get into affiliate marketing. What is it? Push products or services through affiliate links and get a cut of the sales. How to start? Sign up for Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Passive potential. Once you get steady traffic, you're golden. 2. Sell digital products. What is it? Make and sell ebooks, online courses, printables, or software. How to start? Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Udemy. Passive potential. High, 'cause you can sell stuff over and over. 3. Try dropshipping. What is it? Run an online store without stocking anything. Let the supplier handle shipping. How to start? Use Shopify with Oberlo or Spocket. Passive potential. Medium, but once it's set up, you're good to go. 4. Invest in dividend stocks. What is it? Buy stocks from companies that pay dividends. How to start? Platforms like Robinhood, eToro, or Fidelity. Passive potential. High, but you need some cash to start. 5. Start a blog or niche website. What is it? Write about stuff you love and make money from ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate links. How to start? Use WordPress, Bluehost, or Wix. Passive potential. High, but you gotta put in the work up front. And that's just half of them. Stay tuned for the rest of the list, sweeties.